हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम कोरोना वायरस से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर को डिस्कस करेंगे। सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल टू गेट द नोटिफिकेशन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। What is the name given to the disease caused by coronavirus spread in Wuhan city? Correct answer is A. COVID-19. What is the name given by scientists to coronavirus before Wuhan city? Correct answer is B. SARS-CoV-2. In which Indian state has full curfew been imposed due to coronavirus in the first time? Answer is A. Punjab. On which day is the public curfew, Janta curfew, imposed due to coronavirus? Correct answer is A. 22nd March 2020. When Indian government announced coronavirus lockdown phase 1? Correct answer is D. 25 March 2020 to 14 April 2020. Who has declared COVID-19 an epidemic? Correct answer is A. WHO. How many days remained coronavirus lockdown phase 1? Correct answer is C. 21 days. How many days remain coronavirus lockdown phase 2? Correct answer is A. 19 days. How many days remain coronavirus lockdown phase 3? Correct answer is C. 14 days. How many days remain total coronavirus lockdown phase 1, phase 2, phase 3? Correct answer is C. 54 days. Which state became the first state to lock down due to coronavirus? Correct answer is A. Rajasthan. COVID-19 affects which part of the human body? Correct answer is D. Lungs. What is the name of the test of coronavirus COVID-19? Correct answer is D. RT-PCR. Coronavirus has started from Wuhan in China. It is located in which province of China? Correct answer is A. Hubei. What is the full form of COVID-19? CO stand for corona, VI stand for virus, D stand for disease, and 19 stand for 2019. What does VI in the word COVID-19 mean? The correct answer is D. Virus. Which state became the first state to declare coronavirus as an epidemic? Correct answer is C. Haryana. How much aid has India announced in SARS COVID-19 emergency fund? Correct answer is $10 million. Indian government launches which app for COVID-19 tracker app? Correct answer is Arogya Setu. Social app Instagram has launched which feature to make its user aware of coronavirus? Correct answer is C. Instagram feed. What feature has WhatsApp launched in India to make you aware of coronavirus? Correct answer is C. WhatsApp chatbot. What feature Facebook has launched in India to make aware of coronavirus? Correct answer is A. Coronavirus Information Center. What new website has Google launched to make you aware of coronavirus? Correct answer is A. google.com/COVID-19. What does the structure of the coronavirus look like when viewed with microscope? Correct answer is A. Crown. From where coronavirus got its name? Correct answer is A. Due to their crown-like projection. Coronavirus is related to which disease? Correct answer is C. Both A and B. When coronavirus first identified? Correct answer is 1960. What are the main symptoms of coronavirus? Correct answer is D. All of them. Which virus is responsible for COVID-19? Correct answer is C. SARS-CoV-2. What was the new name of coronavirus temporarily? Correct answer is A. 2019-nCoV. In which language is the name coronavirus originated? Correct answer is B. Latin. What are the precautions that need to be taken to protect from the coronavirus? Correct answer is A. Cover your nose and mouth when sneezing. On 11 February 2020, WHO announced an official name for the disease that is causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. What is the new name of the disease? Correct answer is A. COVID-19. What is the coronavirus? Correct answer is C. Both A and B are correct. In which age group the COVID-19 spreads? Correct answer is C. Correct answer is D. All the above are correct. A disease that can be transmitted to humans from animals is. Correct answer is C. Zoonotic. How long does the virus survive? It is not confirmed how long the virus stays, but studies suggest that it may persist on surfaces for a few hours to many days. Which medicine has India exported to America? Answer is hydroxychloroquine. Name a clinical trial in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patient to a coronavirus patient who is in critical condition. Answer is A. Plasma therapy. The first cause of novel coronavirus was identified in. Answer is C. Wuhan, Hubei. In India, when did the second phase of COVID-19 vaccination start? Answer is D. March 2020. How many countries, areas, or territories are suffering from novel coronavirus outbreak in the world? Answer is D. More than 200. Thailand announced that it has proceeded to test its novel coronavirus vaccine on which animal bird? Correct answer is A. Monkeys. In a study, which cells are found in COVID-19 patients bode well for long-term immunity? Correct answer is C. T cell. Name the vaccine that is jointly developed by the German company BioNTech and US pharma giant Pfizer for COVID-19. Correct answer is A. BNT 162. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell to get the notification. Thank you.